Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, dishes to the sink. Hey, don't touch, it's not a toy.
Is it like that?
Yeah, they're the same. Lennon, get in the car. What? What the? Someone smashed into my car. I don't have a clue when this happened. No? No. I didn't notice it until I got home. I was leaving for work. Okay. Darn it. Lennon, what are you doing?
Mom, how can I watch the videos?
What video? Honey, you're a genius! You're my lucky charm! Once we found the video footage, I sent the evidence to my insurance agent. I love you, my lucky charm.
Bye, Mom.